What's up, beautiful people? Good day and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a returning viewer. God bless you guys so much for always coming back to my channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this simple quick remedy to fix your dry hair using just cornflour, guys. I mean, when I found out about this, I was so impressed. Like, can you believe that just one product, just cornflour that is sitting in your kitchen cabinet for so long, that you're using for your soup and stuffs? Can you believe that cornflour can do wonders to your hair? Okay, so guys, I first saw this recipe from Univ hair. I think Univ hair or so, right? I think I'll look for her. I'll look for the video and put it in my description so you can check her out, because in that video she broke down breakdown anyway. She really describes the reason why it works, how it works, and everything. So I think you should check that video out. Okay, so here is me mixing the corn flour, and I use about 3 spoons with 2 cups of water, and then here is me now turning it in my stove, because if you don't turn it constantly it's going to burn, so you have to turn it. But my hand started paining me along the way, so because I was using one hand to hold the camera and the other hand to turn, so the one I was using to turn started paining me, so I stopped recording. But I should keep turning and I should keep stirring like this. The color will eventually turn to this color that you're seeing now. Okay, and then you will sieve. Although because I turned it properly there was no seed, but I still went ahead and sieve it. Okay, you guys will see that at the end of the day there is literally nothing on the sieve. There was no seed at all. There was no seed, no much seed, to put it that way. Okay, so after I finished sieving, I left it to cool down for a while. Now, you know how when you do your pap and leave it for a while, the top layer will become thick. That's what is going to happen to this one too, as I left it to sit for a while. Anyway, this is what it was looking like after I finished scooping that part out. After I finished scooping it out, it turned liquid. It turned how do I put it now? It became okay for me to use. So I freshly washed my hair the night before this day, and just with shampoo. I didn't use any other thing because I'm going to use this corn flour to deep condition the hair. So guys, after so this is the next day now, after washing my hair the night before, and this is what my hair is looking like. No detangle, no product whatsoever. I didn't even put water, normal me, but before I use, guys, you guys would have heard baba from my mouth. Just bear with me, okay? I don't even know how to speak outside, just that bad. It is very me. Anyway, normal me, I would use water to spray and get my hair moisturized first before adding any products. But guys, this product, so let me just try, since I'm trying it for the first time, because it really dissolved her hair. So I said let me try it like that without water. Guys, can you see the miracle or the magic that is happening in my hair right now? The thing just dissolved my hair. So this product right here is also a good detangler. You can see, if your hair is difficult to manage, if it has been a while since you washed and moisturized your hair, you can use this as a detangler. Just work in section, guys. Work in small sections. I'm telling you, this is the perfect detangler, perfect product to give you coils. At least that's the one I've tried so far. Okay, when I tried flaxseed, I thought flaxseed was like the bomb, but flaxseed does not need this one at all, because flaxseed has to use water before it will work. But this one, I didn't put any form of water. You guys saw how dry my hair was before I added this. Like, look at the other part, I've not added anything on. So this thing works so magically. Like, oh, it was giving me heaven on earth. I was so impressed. Like, why have I not been trying this? And trust me, I've seen this video a while ago. I don't even know. I just saved it on my watch later list. I don't know why I have not tried this. I mean, look at that. Oh God, look at that. I'm telling you, I was pleasantly surprised, and I'm telling you, you should try this. You would love it. And this is Chinese recipe. Like, I've seen Chinese video where they use this sometimes mixed with rice, coconut oil, and some other things. But guys, even without adding anything to this, it's still going to give you what you desire. I'm telling you, which is the moisture. It will detangle your hair. It will saturate your hair. What is saturate? Don't you know what I'm saying? But man, this product left my mouth. Wow. So guys, I would really love for you to give it a try, especially if you're having issues with your hair being difficult to manage, difficult to detangle and stuff like that. Please give this recipe a try, and you probably have it already in your kitchen. Like, you probably have this recipe already in your kitchen, this one product already in your kitchen. So go search. I'm sure you see cornflour somewhere, and if you don't even have it, it's okay. It's no more than 500 naira in Nigeria. It is very cheap. I mean, just with 500 naira you get your hair to be this texture, guys. Oh my God. Why don't you try it? Okay guys, I'll stop talking. This is like the end of this video. Okay, so I tried something bomb and I decided to share with you guys because I mean, why not? And plus, that so many benefits, but I'll leave you to google that for yourself. Okay. Oh my God, look at my hair. Look at my hair. Look, I've never seen this kind of coils before, and I'm not joking. I am not exaggerating. I am not joking. I've never seen this kind of my hair. I've not seen products that really does this to my hair. Honestly speaking, like, this is different and this is new. I'm going to try her tapioca video. That is a cassava gel. I'm going to try that one too, because I'm telling you, this one alone is heaven on earth. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you guys for always supporting me. You know I love you guys so much. Thank you guys, I appreciate. Until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Mwah.